Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you kind of a behind the scenes video of our SVG gallery on my members site. And just be forewarned that this is always growing, but I'm also giving you kind of like a behind the scenes of how my CRAF-TAY creator membership works. I have two memberships on my website, anyrthing.com, and one is crafting and one is business. But business gets everything that crafting gets. So if you're interested in my business membership, I have an identical video to this, but just for my business membership that went up today as well. So they both go up to show you the different memberships if you're interested in either one of them. So this membership is all for crafting and fun. So basically we have thousands of SVGs for you guys to play with, and we have printable planners and some really cool stuff. And then we have a couple other things for you as well that you'll see in the video, but you are not allowed to use these commercially, and you don't have access to a lot of our stuff beyond that. So, but for $8 a month, you get dang worth it. And we come out with new stuff every Saturday, so I'm gonna show you where to find that and see that as well. So let's get going to anyrthing.com, where I have all my fun stuff for my members and all the good things here. We're gonna walk you through how to use the CRAF-TAY creators site. There are two tabs right here that you have access to. SVGs and printables you have access to. All you have to do is click on it, and what it's going to do is take you to our SVG and printable files. And now we've changed everything over to Dropbox because it's easier and it's supported on phones, iPads, all those things, and it makes our lives and your lives so much more fun and easy for you guys to download. So right here, everybody, nobody can see this except members, so I'm showing you guys all the categories we have, and then I'm gonna take a step into one of the categories and allow you guys to see how to download these and all those good things. So basically, we're gonna find a category that we want, and I'm just gonna do fonts and letters because I know that there's some fun ones in here. So you just click the button and it's gonna take you right to our Dropbox file of all of our fonts that you're able to use. Now our business members actually have commercial rights to these, so they can use these to design really fun things. And sell them. So let's do the circus font. It's one of my absolute favorites. So you click these three little dots and you click download. If something is downloaded in a zip file, you will have to unzip it, but for the most part, all of these are not zipped. So let's go over to Design Space, and I'm gonna show you how to upload our SVG. It's just like any other SVG that you would upload, but you would make a new project. We're going to upload image, browse. I'm going to type circus font because that's what I want to upload. Click it and upload it. I'm going to show you how to use our font really quick, just so you understand how to use some of our bundles and our fonts specifically. Our fonts are really fun to use, especially these multi-layer ones. Okay, so I'm gonna let that upload. Oh, it already did it, so I'm just gonna do it. Okay, so say I wanted to do my name out of this. All I would do is ungroup it and grab the letters that I want. So if I wanted to do anti-tay, I'm just gonna do tay for now. But say I wanted two of each letter, what I would do is I could take the Y and duplicate it, either by doing copy paste wherever that is, or I could do Command or Control C, Command Control V. Say I needed two of those, and then if those are going to be next to each other, and I wanted them to be different colors, I could change the color on them to match the other letters, and so they're all red on top. But you can also change the layers. This is a handmade font that we've made for you guys, and you guys are allowed to use them, and again, our business members are allowed to use them commercially. So I would just highlight over the ones I don't want and click delete, and then I could make something with this. Okay, so that's just how to use one of our SVG bundles. We have lots though, so let's go back to the site. Again, these are all categories that you can open. So let's just open animal categories, and you're gonna see that we have not only categories, but we have subcategories. And eventually, when you click on it, it will open another page with more images so you can see projects made with these. But for now, you can see that we have lots. So let's click on dogs, and under dogs, we have all these fun things. We have actual bundles, which are just like the font. You would upload this and just use the ones you want. We have lots and lots, and then we come out with new ones every Saturday for you guys. So I'm going to show you how to keep up to date on those as well. So as a member, you'll automatically get our newsletter. Let's go into the Disney SVGs just for a second. We have tons of Disney SVGs, and again, we add every Saturday. So let's go to Disney Princesses. And if you click on princesses, you don't just get a group of things. You get, each one has their own category that we add to. So if you go to Snow White, she has her own category with all of her own SVGs. Lots of fun things that we've done. We even do some clip art. Now again, these are all shared with you guys, and they're not commercial use, and they're not able to be commercially used by our business members either, because they're all Disney images. But we do have commercial use SVGs, which are free to use, but you are not allowed to sell things with these unless you are a business member. But all of these are inspired by Disney, literally inspired by, not copyrighted, and they don't use any Disney fonts. They don't use, these three actually need to be taken out. Not sure why those are in there, but they do not use Disney copyrighted anything. They just use inspired by things and fun words and color schemes and things like that. So you are able to use these things and sell with them on them. And we add to these as well weekly. Okay, so that's how you navigate just the SVGs. Another thing that you get is 20% off of my shop. So let's go over here under members. You as the CRAF-TAY creator have access to right here. So you have access to our Live Tuesday Hangout. I believe you have access to our calendar as well. And then CRAF-TAY creators, you also have your own profile, member instructions, and obviously becoming a member is open to everybody, but everything down here is business members and up. So let's go to your hub, which is CRAF-TAY creators, and you're gonna see right here is this fancy coupon code which you can use on shopantytay.com. So if you click right here, you're gonna find shopantytay.com, which is gonna take you to our store. And when you're checking out on our store, you enter the coupon code that is in your hub, and you're gonna get 20% off all the time, your entire purchase. And don't forget, any order over $75 is free shipping. So you'll get $75, if you order over $75, you get free shipping and you get your 20% off. So I always encourage my members, don't shop from me until you're ready to stock up on craft supplies, because it's the best deal. But again, this is where you find your coupon code. We do change it every few weeks. So by the time you see this, summer 19 is going to be a different coupon code. And so make sure to check back here regularly if your coupon code's not working. Now, this page may move around and change a little bit, but everything that's here is going to be here. You're going to be able to be taken to your SVGs, which is just the site, the page that we were just on. The events is going to take you to our calendar, which I'm about to show you. This will take you right to our planners and stickers and pages. These are Dropbox files, which I did not show you, but same concept. And then we have coupon partners. These coupons are all expired right now, and we're working on growing this, so we have partner coupons that will be coming out often. And then if you want to message us, this is your messaging center right here. And what this does is it lets us know that you're a member, and right in our email you get top priority for us to message you back. And Anna actually is in charge of getting back to you guys, so even though you're messaging me, you will be responded to by Anna, just letting you know. But she does run everything by me and lets me know what everybody's up to. And if you have any of those really fun inspirational messages you want to send me, she does pass those along to me as well. So again, these are just extra buttons to get you to our shop, our Facebook group, and the member instructions videos where you'll find this one. Okay, and then you also have access to our Live Tuesday Hangout, which right now, as we speak, is not every Tuesday. It's whenever I can get around to doing them. But once I'm back on schedule, it'll be here on Tuesdays. If you want to know when I'm going to go live, make sure you are following me on Instagram. I try to update at least an hour before I go live with the members, but this is where you find them. And if you want to comment, you have to click on the YouTube button, which will take you to YouTube. And basically we hang out and I chat with you guys. I show you products that are about to come out. I talk about the behind the scenes of what's going on, how I do things, and what I'm in the process of researching, things like that. Or like this, I was prepping a video that never came out because it actually failed. So sometimes you get to see me processing through an idea. Maybe it's not going to work. It's really fun, and we just chill. And sometimes I'm in my pajamas. It's really fun. And there's going to be lots more of those coming out soon. And then you also have access to my calendar. And I'm only going to show you June because when this comes out, it's almost going to be July. And I don't want to give any sneak peeks away if you're not a member. So basically you have access to all of my videos that are coming out on YouTube. Those are on Mondays. You can see who's doing a takeover on Tuesdays. And then if we are going live, I'll try to do the topic if I know ahead of time. But most importantly, you guys see product launching. You see when products are coming out, and we try to do those on Thursdays. And then Saturdays are our SVG releases. So you can see that Gilmore Girls, Grey's Anatomy, Star Wars coming out on the 15th, 90s Kid, Disney Bound, Disney Family, Coaches, Disney Wedding, The Office. You can see what's going to be coming out. Harry Potter, Paw Patrol, PJ Masks. So those come out every Saturday. Now let me show you how to make sure you're up to date. You may have noticed let's see, what's new page, which was on I might have to add it to the CRAF-TAY creators. I added it to, it's not on here, but it'll be on here by the time you are watching this. It's on here. There'll be a what's new button. Let me show you on the business members really quick what it looks like so you guys can see. No wonder you guys were asking for it because you don't have a button for it. Okay, but on the business members, it is there, and it's this what's new button. And what this does is shows you the SVG bundles that came out for that week and last week, and we're going to add some more down. We're going to move these to the bottom and add the new ones that come out as they go on, and then we type out what actually came out if you want to know what came out for that week. But these are actually in our weekly newsletter. And because I've been on this page for a second, it's not popping up. But if you go to this and you're a member already, you're gonna get our newsletter. But if you're not a member and you want our newsletter, all you have to do is go to this page, which only members can get to right at the moment, but we're gonna have it open. There we go. You just have to join our mailing list. So let's say members@anyrthing.com is your email, but it's not, and we're gonna click subscribe. Now you're gonna get your Saturday newsletter. Make sure that that you look in your spam if you didn't get it on Saturday, and add that address to your address book so you know, and it doesn't go to your spam anymore. So every Saturday morning you should be able to get that. Sometimes it's Saturday afternoon, but we try our hardest to make sure that it comes out Saturday morning. Okay, and I believe that's what you guys get as a CRAF-TAY creator. Again, we will update this video as more stuff comes out and things that we're working on. So if you're not one, go ahead and go over to anyrthing.com, click on become a member, and you can sign up right here for the membership. And if you want to know more about our business membership, check out our business membership video that came out at the same time as this video on YouTube. All right. Love you guys. Bye.